Oh, besties. Okay, we got on two stocking caps. What are we doing here? Oh, now we got foil. Oh, this is going to be, tape. Listen, this is the epitome of DIY until you can't. What is this goop stuff? Vaseline. We licked the glue stick. Jesus help us. Why is the popcorn there? Oh, we put that stuff down there. Oh, we're cutting up another stocking cap. Oh, we're going to put it on top of this big marshmallow thing. Oh, very intriguing. Oh, we're rolling up more of this. Oh. Now that was smooth. It must have took her hours to smooth that out. Y'all got to tell me what you think. Oh, what is that?